When discussing home education, one of the most common concerns is cost. At first glance, mainstream schooling appears to be free. After all, state schools do not charge tuition fees. But when you look more closely, the financial reality is quite different. School uniforms, PE kits, school trips, fundraising events, packed lunches, transport, and extracurricular activities, all of these add up over time. For many families, the hidden costs of school can be substantial. Home education, on the other hand, is often assumed to be expensive, but this isn't necessarily the case. There are countless free resources available, from online courses to library books, museums and community groups. However, it's important to acknowledge that a fully rounded education requires more than just free resources. Parents and caregivers must invest significant time and effort into researching, planning, and curating a curriculum that meets their child's needs. If your reason for home educating is to have more control over what your child is learning and how they are being taught, it's worth considering how free educational websites and platforms are funded. Many rely on advertising, sponsorships, or government funding, which can influence the content they provide. Some free resources may be excellent, but they may not always align with your educational goals. Ultimately, home education does not have to be expensive, but it does require careful financial and educational planning. Some families choose to invest in paid courses, tutors, or structured curricula, while others successfully piece together a rich learning experience through cost-effective means. The key is finding the right balance, ensuring a high-quality education while remaining mindful of the financial implications.